Here we have the Sonos Move, which is Sonos' first portable speaker and delivers impressive big sound. But is it worth its equally impressive big $400 price tag? In this video, we're going to be going over key features, seeing who this product would actually be good for, how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Stay tuned, and let's get into the video. Now, with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and up to 11 hours of continuous playback, the Sonos Move delivers loud and punchy sound, making it possibly one of the best portable speakers around, especially when you consider that it's weatherproof and drop resistant. It's a little larger than what you may expect from a portable speaker. The Sonos Move sits at around 10 inches tall and weighs in at 6 pounds. It's not the kind of portable you just throw in your backpack to take hiking. It's probably more suited for the backyard. Although, the integrated ergonomic handle on the back does make it a little easier to just grab and go. Even its refined design makes it look more like an indoor speaker with a nice, almost black matte finish and grille combo. We love the tall oval shape, which gives it a slicker look than your typical blocky rectangular speaker, especially if you go for the lunar white color option. The grille wraps around the speaker with a lower fifth and rubberized plastic, keeping things very clean. Around the back, you'll find the power button, a button to toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and a third to connect to other Sonos speakers. On top of the speaker, you'll find the media touch-sensitive controls to play and pause, as well as 2 buttons for volume control on either side. It's a little odd that they didn't go with the traditional plus and minus icons for volume controls. Why go with the identical icons for both volume up and down? It can be a bit confusing. There's also a small LED status light, but it's not bright enough to illuminate the buttons if you need to control your media in the dark. Now, if you're curious why there's no song skip or previous song button, you'll love this. All you have to do is swipe across all 3 icons to the right or left to skip the song or return to the previous song. We also love how the speaker sits on its charging dock. The dock is actually a stylish ring for a more permanent charging solution, but you can also use its USB-C port for charging on the go. On a full charge, you'll enjoy up to about 11 hours of playback at moderate volume levels. But it is a little disappointing that they didn't include a 3.5mm line in. Now, when it comes to the Move's audio performance, it doesn't deviate from Sonos' stellar track record for amazing sound. This model features their first speaker with automatic TruePlay, which calibrates the audio output depending on your environment. So whether you're in the backyard or living room, you'll always get a balanced audio experience. You'll find the sound is rich and robust with deep bass and a wide soundscape that sounds quite substantial both indoors and outdoors. So what's the verdict? Well, with automatic TruePlay, built-in support for Google Assistant and Alexa, wide music service compatibility, Spotify Connect, AirPlay 2, amazing battery performance, and now with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity options, it's definitely a great splurge option, especially if you have other Sonos speakers. It may not be as portable given its hefty size, but it is still portable, and for those that make the effort, you'll enjoy incredible premium sound wherever you are. That's all for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like what we do, consider subscribing. On this channel, we review tech in a simple, straightforward manner for the average person. So if you want tech reviews made easy, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing. Till next time, hope you all have a great day.